Welcome to Tech Talk Thursday, Season 5, Episode 11. Another month has rolled around and we're already in August. The August issue of your favourite magazine should have already reached your mailbox or your inbox. But in case you've missed it, the focus is firmly on soldering and interconnection. Claude Bergeron from Nordson EFD presents an excellent article on piezo jetting and non-contact materials deposition. Our interview this month is with Mike Goldberg from Promotion USA. They've also got a different brand called Panda, and he's one of the leading experts on robotic soldering. And he was hugely excited to talk about the launch of their Panda 500 CE, which is featured on the front cover of the August issue. On the materials front, we're publishing the first in an excellent two-part series on solder alloys for selective soldering by industry expert Gurjan Deepstratton. ID Tech X discuss the challenges and solutions in the evolving 5G materials market, and Ray Welsh and Brent Fishtal from Co-Young write about the necessity for 3D solder paste inspection in modern manufacturing. My August editorial focuses on the current challenges facing the industry. Despite unbelievably strong results through Q1 and Q2, even going into Q3 for many manufacturers, there are early signs of expected consumer belt tightening in Q3 and Q4. We're also seeing that across some of the social media channels as well. And there are real concerns around the saber rattling from China around Taiwan. All this in the month when the US CHIP Act is finally passed and reaches Joe Biden's desk for signature, and TSMC celebrate bringing the first of its facilities online in the United States. Well, I'm sitting here in my garden sporting my summer foliage, which will be coming off in time for our September round of conferences. The month of September promises to be extremely busy as the Global SMT TV team head to Mexico for SMTA Guadalajara. Last year, this show attracted 3,300 visitors and is showing all signs this year of beating that by some margin. We will, of course, be sure to bring you all of the latest news from south of the Rio Grande. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.
In an EMS world full of supply chain challenges, pandemics, and shifting deadlines, Global SMT TV works around the clock to keep you up to date with the latest process technologies, standards, and breaking industry news to keep you at the top of your game. Global SMT TV, bringing you one step closer to your goals.